How to open a YouTube video using QR code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can open a YouTube video using QR code. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your YouTube. Now, to be able to open a YouTube video using QR code, you'll actually need to change that video link into a QR code. To do that, simply copy the link for the video, tap on the share button for the video, and then copy its link. After you copy the link, you can simply head over to that very web browser. Any web browser is fine, and search for QR code generator. After you search for QR code generator, you can simply hit enter, and there you should find a lot of different options where you can just change a website link into QR code. So just head over there and now paste the link. Tap on paste and tap on generate QR code. Now you can change, you can simply find a frame for this as well. And after you do that, you can download this QR code. You can even take a screenshot if you'd like, and you can use this QR code to open the video. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you open a YouTube video using QR code. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.